Bronze last year in Zagreb.
They had a beautiful performance last year in Zagreb. I'm excited to see what Janishov can show us today.
Жанышов, 2024 U20 world champion, also has a pair of medals of the bronze color. U20 and U23 world bronze medals. 4-time age group champion for Asians. Tursынov has been at the world championships 5 times. He's an Olympian. Scoreless in the first minute of action. Tursынov, a 2-time Olympian, finishing 7th in Paris and 14th in the 2020 Olympics that were held in 2021. But we don't need to go there. And we're coming up scoreless, close to the halfway point. You're going to see the passivity. There it is.
Janishov's doing a great job picking up the pace from the first start of the match to get this first party opportunity on Tursынov.
Janishov will be point on the passivity and now position. Of course, you got to go back to 2014. When Tursынov won the Asian Championships. Big lift attempt. Heavy on the hips was Tursынov. Slides him over and boom! 2 on the exposure for Janishov. Gonna try to go the other way now. Loads, lifts. And we'll get the whistle blow to come to the standing position.
Center. The beautiful low gut wrench by Janishov. Looked like he went to the right first, tightened up his grip, and then went left.
Dab up the blood a little bit. In our first of 2 semifinals here, 87 kilos. Janishov, technical superior over Bayramov of Turkmenistan in the quarters. Tursunov 7-1 over Lee of Korea. And back to action.
Blue, attention, okay?
3-0 the lead for Janishov. As we come up on the 30-second mark here in period number 1. And the atmosphere here, the drums, the horns, the chants.
Jason, Janishov has not stopped pressuring Tursынov around the mat this period. Let's see if he can keep up with this for the second period too.
And we go to the break. You know, you're slightly older than Tursunov. How does the body feel around your mid to late 30s?
I feel great.
What about when you got a guy 8 years younger pulling on your head and driving you around a mat? How do you contend with that?
I don't let anybody put me around
That's
the
the
mat.
correct answer.
As you can see here, he tightened the grip by going to the right and then executing that low gut wrench to the left. He went very deep with the right arm.
It's also interesting when you see it like on the lankier wrestlers when you're down there. It doesn't look like you're going to be able to get them over, but you know that you hit that tipping point, that fulcrum, and boom, there they go. Well, we got a little too damp there, so they'll do the drying off.
I'm curious to see if Janishov can keep up the pace here to get that second parterre opportunity. To get the second parterre opportunity to get 2 in a row is very, very difficult, Jason.
Well, right off the whistle,
he goes for it.
Yeah, he's just bullying through, trying to drive in.
They need to continue doing this for another 30 seconds. It's those first 40 seconds in the match to decide who gets the parterre opportunity here in the second period. Sorry.
I mean, Tursinov's just unable to. He's just being pushed all over the mat, and it's not being pushed. He's being bullied.
Yeah, Tursinov's definitely passive here. He's not taking one step forward this whole period.
And one on the step out.
But here's also the case. Do you want 1 point for step out, or would you rather have 1 point and a parterre opportunity?
And we got a blue challenge. For what?
This might be a tactical challenge.
As we watch the replay. Maybe saying, maybe did he grab the singlet?
No, I think they think he touched his knee. They both knees touched, and he used his leg to push him out. I'm not sure if that's the case here.
Challenge on mat B. No foul. Blue is stepping out. 1 point for red. Challenge is lost.
So challenge lost.
So now it'll be 5-0 as we reset. 41 seconds gone by in our second and final period. And Janishov back to that just bullying pace.
He doesn't stop pummeling.
This guy has not stopped since the whistle. Oh my goodness. Just the pressure, the pace. This is
beautiful.
Got to be hard to contend with. And now another passivity. You called it. 2 straight opportunities.
This is very impressive. This is very impressive, Jason, to be able to do this on this level.
All right, contact.
Let's see, we will see another gut wrench, or will he go for his lift here?
Only place he seems slower has been in the parterre position until he loads up.
He got the leg on the inside there between his knee and his elbow. Excellent defense by Tursынов by turning up against his opponent here.
Janishov looks over to his corner saying, hey, leg foul, but at this point you don't really need to lose a point for.
He's going to win this match 8-0.
Oh, wow. Boom. 2 on the takedown, technical superiority. Talking about making up names of moves. What would you call that one?
We have a name for that in Sweden. We actually call it the monkey arm. When you jump with your arm